guys, what's up? So today we're going to be unboxing this month's Boxycharm. So if you'd like to see what's inside this month's box, then just stay tuned. Little disclaimer, Boxycharm did send me this box to try. All right, so the first thing in this month's box is the product card, and this month's theme is Planet Woman. First product is this First Aid Beauty Cleansing Oil and Makeup Remover. This is an oil to foam 2-in-1 cleanser that melts makeup and cleanses in one single step. It's sulfate-free and has a hybrid gel to oil texture that helps dissolve impurities, makeup, and sunscreen. Next in the box is the Ace Beauty Ultimate Sculpt Face Palette. And this is a quad contour palette. Sorry, it's a little bit dirty on the front here. And it looks a little something like this. These are gorgeous shades and they are so super blendable and super pigmented as well. A little bit went a very long way. And I do have this on today. Next is the Dew of the Gods Feels Squalane plus Oat Milk Microdermabrasion Dry Erase Facial Scrub. You guys, I absolutely love Dew of the Gods. Everything that I've tried from this company is just amazing. This facial scrub has silica crystals that are binded to an oat milk base to form the ultimate dry erase. It's formulated with fatty squalane to protect the new skin while the old you kind of washes away. And it's designed to be applied dry. I like how this revealed a layer of skin I didn't know I had, and it's not drying either. Next, we have the KOA Life Niacinamide Booster, and you basically add a few pumps of this to your existing skincare, and it's supposed to boost it all and make it work that much more. Plus, this also reduces the signs of aging and controls blemishes. The niacinamide in it also keeps skin firm and healthy while also tackling hyperpigmentation. And last but not least, in this month's Boxycharm box, we have the Belle and Argent Tinted Lip Balm. And I am in love with this stuff already. Super cute packaging. Look at that. And I was a little scared of the color when I first opened it, but you guys, this is so, so beautiful. Well, that is it, you guys. That is all the products in this month's Boxycharm box. Let me know in the comments below which product was your favorite or which one you hope to get. I just want to say a big thank you to Boxycharm for sending me yet another box to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.